Hello, fourth graders. It's homework time. Get your Succeed book. Let's open to page 187. We will look at the Lesson 15 homework helper. This example is showing division using an array. 21 divided by 4. There are 21 discs shown in groups of 4 because we're dividing by 4. How many groups of 4 are there? They're circled. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 groups of 4. That means the quotient is 5. But there's one disc left over that's not in a group. That's called the remainder. Remainder 1. So 21 divided by 4 is 5 with a remainder of 1. Now here's the same problem shown using an area model. 21 divided by 4 looks like this. Here we see 4 times 5 equals 20. And then there's one more over here on the side. So the total is 21. Up here, the 5 is the quotient. The one little box on the side means that the remainder is 1. This says, can you show 21 divided by 4 with one rectangle? No, because there will be one left over, the remainder of 1. Let's move down and look at example number 2. Here we see an array for 53 divided by 7. There are 53 dots in all, groups of 7. 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, and then 50, 51, 52, 53. So there's 53 in all. They're in groups of 7 here. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 groups of 7. And then there are 4 dots left over that are not in a group of 7. Since there are 7 groups of 7, the quotient is 7, and the remainder is these 4 extra dots not in a group of 7. Remainder 4 right here. Now here's the area model. For 53 divided by 7, we can make a rectangle that is 7 times 7 equals 49. And then we would need 1, 2, 3, 4 more to get to 53 in all. These 4 on the side are the remainder. So the quotient is up here on top. That's the quotient. And the remainder is over here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's turn the page and work on some homework problems. 24 divided by 4. First, we're going to show using an array. So we will need 24 discs, and we need to make groups of 4. So make your first column of 4. We count. These are 4 of them. Make another column of 4 right next to it. Now how many do we have? That's 8. Make another column of 4. Now we have 12. Another column of 4 gets us to 16. 4 more. That makes 20. How many more do we need to get to 24? We need 4 more dots. Okay, now we're going to circle the groups of 4. 1 group, 2 groups, 3 groups, 4 groups, 5 groups, 6 groups. We have 6 groups of 4. That means the quotient is 6. Did we have any leftover dots that are not in a group of 4? No, we did not. That means the remainder is 0. Now we're going to show division with an area model. We're going to have 24 squares in all in our rectangle, and the width of our rectangle will be 4. So start with one side. This is 4. And we're going to make the length of our rectangle. We're going to count by 4s to see how many columns we need in order to make a total area of 24. So this makes 4. If I go across a little bit more, now I will have 8, 12, 16, 20, 24. Now finish the rectangle. If you count all the squares inside, you would count 24. So the width is 4. What is the length? How many squares? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the 6 goes on top. 4 times 6 is 24. And we don't need any squares on the side because we need exactly 24. So up here on top, the 6 is the quotient. The question says, can you show 24 divided by 4 with one rectangle? Look at our drawing. Yes, we can. Okay, let's look at number 2. This one says 25 divided by 4. So we're going to make an array. We're going to use groups of 4 dots until we get to 25. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. I only need one more, 25. Let's circle the groups of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 equal groups of 4, so the quotient is 6. Now look what we have over here. There's one left over that's not in a group. That means the remainder is 1. Now we're going to show the area model. We need 25 squares in all. Our rectangle will have a width of 4. So I start with 4 on the side. Now, how can I make my rectangle to get as close to 25 as possible without going over? Remember, we counted by 4s last time? 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24. If I do another row, that would be 28. That's too much. So my rectangle needs to go like this. And I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 for the length. That gets me to 24, but I need 25. That means I need to have one little square on the side. And this is the remainder. Now I have 25 in all. 6 is the quotient, 1 is the remainder. Can you show 25 divided by 4 with one rectangle? No, we had one rectangle and one square. So no. Explain how you showed the remainder. The remainder is the little square on the side. So the square on the side. Okay, turn the page. Look at the example at the top for 25 divided by 3. They made an array. They have columns of 3. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 columns of 3. So the quotient is 8. There's 1 left over here, so the remainder is 1. Here's the area model. 3 times 8 is 24, but we need one more to get to 25. So here's one more. Now there's 25 in all. 8 is the quotient. The remainder is 1, this one square on the side. Okay, we're going to do 44 divided by 7. We'll make our array first. We're making columns of 7. Start with your first column of 7 dots. There's 7. Now I'm going to do another column of 7. How many do I have now? 7 plus 7 is 14. Keep going. Count up. 7 more makes 21. Keep going. 7 more makes 28. I need more. Keep going. 7 more makes 35. Keep going. 7 more makes 42. I'm at 42 now. Can I do another column of 7? I need to get to 44. So I cannot make another column of 7. How many more dots do I need to get to 44? Only 2 more dots. Those go over here. How many columns of 7 did we make? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So our quotient is 6. I'll use Q for quotient. And what is the remainder? How many do we have left here? 2. So remainder 2. You can use R for remainder. Now we're going to show the area model. So we need to think of a sevens fact that gets us close to 44 without going over, so we can make our rectangle. So 7 times 6 equals 42. Now on the side, we need to show how many more to get to 44. This part, 7 times 6 is 42, so I need 43, 44. There's 2 on the side for remainder 2. The quotient is up here, and the remainder is the boxes on the side. Okay, let's do number 4, 34 divided by 6. We need to make columns of 6, and we need to stop when we get to 34. Start counting your dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Keep going. 2 columns of 6 makes 12. 3 columns. Now I have 18. Let's go again. 6 more. Now how many do we have? That makes 24. Can we do another column of 6? 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Yes. Now, how many more to get to 34? We cannot do another column of 6. We only need 4 more. Now I have 34 dots. Circle how many columns of 6 we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means our quotient is 5. Look on the side, how many left over? There are 4. So our remainder is 4. R equals 4. Now let's make our area model. The width of our rectangle will be 6, and we need 34 in all. Make your rectangle. 6 for the width. What should go up here? We need to get to 34 without going over. 6 times something gets me close to 34. Count by 6s or think of your 6 facts. 5. Put 5 on top. 6 times 5 equals 30. We need to get to 34 though. So on the side, we're going to put small squares, 4 more to get to 34 in all. The quotient is 5, the remainder is 4. Now you can try some of the other problems on your own. I know you can do it. See you next time. Goodbye.